Are you looking to renovate your home? From a bathroom or kitchen renovation to remodeling your whole house, we have you covered every step of the way. I'm Dan Eckhard, co-owner of Straight Line Construction. Here at Straight Line Construction, we have 3 business mottos to live by.
So motto number 1 is we like to think of ourselves more as a construction concierge before we're looked upon as a contractor. Secondly, we put customer service back in an industry that we feel has none. And then thirdly, we are by far the most budget-conscious contractor you'll ever meet.
We are a family here at Straight Line Construction, and we are proud to have the best team.
So you get the pleasure of meeting with myself and Ben, the owners. You'll meet Emilia, our showroom manager. You'll meet Dale, our project manager. And then we'll have Wendy, who's in charge of writing our estimates and contracts.
The Straight Line Construction team is here to make your home remodel dreams a reality. We have the expertise to do it right and the team to make the experience enjoyable.
Thank you so much for watching the videos. We appreciate you taking the time to learn about our processes and meet our team. We look forward to meeting with you, and if I could be so bold in saying, we look forward to working with you.